WTDVO009, Katipunan, Claricel, 32 years old, single, 6 months caregiver course, 2 years experience as a private domestic helper. Miss Katipunan, please tell something about yourself.
I'm Claricel Katipunan, single, 32 years old.
What is your present location?
General Santos City.
How many hours of travel going to Manila?
From General Santos City, 1.5 hours, ma'am. 1 hour and 30 minutes from General Santos City.
Through
To airplane.
family. What is your family background? Can you say something about your family background?
I have 3 siblings, 1 brother, I'm in the middle, and 1 sister. I live with my aunt in General Santos City.
So, tell me something about your domestic helper experience.
I do the laundry, dishwashing, cleaning the house, take care of my grandmother when she's still alive.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those?
Pancit Canton, Lumpia Shanghai, noodles, bihon, pisado.
So, what are your hobbies?
Hobby only. I love reading pocket book.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, you have to wash the bottle, then sterilize. After sterilizing, keep the bottle upside down, then prepare the milk. Put hot water in the milk, then put the milk. Follow the milk procedure, then shake, then check in your arms if the milk is still hot.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
Carry the baby, then check if the baby is still crying. Check if the baby is wet. Then if the baby is wet, change the diaper or the cloth of the baby.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
Check the body temperature of the baby, then sponge the baby all over the body, then tell the mother that the baby has fever.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sing it now.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you have any other talents?
No.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Make myself busy. Make myself busy with the house. If you're homesick, do the household chores.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, ma'am. Call the family member, check if it's okay. Then, if they ask for financial support, just send the money.
What could you teach the children?
Teach them how to read, draw, how to read alphabet, then how to read numbers, then teach them how to hand wash, how to bathing.
How long can you work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
And why Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong has a good reputation for the domestic helper. They are civilized and more considerate for the people. They treat the domestic helper as their family.
Okay, thank you.